Baidu Research Robotics and Auto Driving Lab and UMD have developed an autonomous excavator system, AES. The result was published in Science Robotics. The construction industry has been booming, fueled by demand for new infrastructure and digital transformation. Excavators are among the most versatile heavy equipment. These digging machines are used for construction, mining, and rescue applications. Construction companies worldwide are facing hiring shortage for skilled operators. The hazardous environments can impact the safety of operators. To tackle these challenges, AES integrates perception, planning, and control modules to enable excavators to autonomously perform material loading tasks in the real world. AES uses proprioceptive sensors, camera, and LiDAR. The perception module uses advanced computer vision algorithms to perceive 3D environments. To evaluate AES, researchers deployed the system at a waste disposal recycling site. AES can operate for more than 24 hours without any human intervention. Researchers also set up different scenarios in a test field to evaluate the system. Baidu has been collaborating with several of the world's leading construction machinery companies with offerings of AES. Baidu aims to leverage its robust and secure platform, infused with AI and cloud, to transform the construction industry.